Welcome back to Lesson 1-1, Variables and Expressions. This is Part 2, Exponents. Exponents. When you are given an exponent, it is written like this. The larger number is known as the base. The smaller number is known as the exponent. Exponents really mean repeated multiplication. So if I give you a base of 2 to the third power, it really means 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. The base times itself 3 times equals 8. To read this properly, you will not say big 4 little 2. Instead, you could say 4 to the second power or 4 squared. When you are given this, you would not say big 4 little 3. You would say 3 cubed. Squared gets its answer because you're working with a 2D shape. Squared, 2. Length times width, I would get an area of 16 centimeters squared. Cubed, 3D shape, length times width times height would be the volume. 4 times 4 times 4 is 64 centimeters cubed. After that, you would just say 4 to the fourth or 4 to the fourth power, 4 to the fifth, or 4 to the fifth power. We are now going to practice on our calculators. Most of you have a calculator like I show you on the right. You will need to use something called the caret key. When you look at the smaller calculator here, you're going to use something I call the YX key. Again, I call that the caret key. That's the YX key. Take a moment, pause the video please. Solve for me 3 cubed, negative 5 cubed, negative 6 to the fourth. Use your calculators, pause the video, come back when you have the answers. Hopefully you all arrived at 3 cubed. I realize many of you could do that mentally, but let's just verify that your calculator is working correctly. Negative 5 cubed, or negative 5 to the third power, my question to you is that negative 125 or positive 125? Definitely a negative. Negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. Times an additional negative 5 makes a negative 125. Negative 6 to the fourth. Did you get negative 1,296 or did you get positive 1,296? Which do you think is accurate? If we work through it like we did with the negative 5, I believe the correct answer would be positive 1,296. But did your calculator tell you this? Do not let your calculator lie to you. Your calculator will lie to you if you do not use the parentheses. You need to put the parentheses around the base number. In this case, our base is a negative 6, so you would need to have parenthesis, negative 6, parenthesis, caret key, 4. That tells your calculator to take negative 6 raised to the fourth power. If you neglect to use the parenthesis symbol, your calculator actually reads this as 6 to the fourth power times negative 1. Again, you will need to remember this. Do not let your calculator lie to you.